Hello everyone! I'm Lizzie and welcome back to Mama Lizzy's Kitchen. For those who are new in my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Today we will be making a chicken quesadilla. It is a great blend of chicken, sauteed vegetables, cheese, wrapped in tortilla. It is perfect with salsa and spicy garlic sauce. Full ingredients are listed in the description box below. I also leave the link on the homemade tortilla, salsa, and shawarma sauce on the description box. Let's start! First, let's cut the breast chicken fillet in half and marinate with taco seasoning mix. Then, fry the chicken on medium heat about 5 minutes. When cooked, remove from pan and let rest. On the same pan, saute the onion and bell pepper until softened. When cooked, remove from pan and set aside. Then, cut the chicken breast into small pieces. We can now turn the skillet on high heat and cook the tortilla about 1 minute on each side. Add the chicken and sauteed vegetables. Top with mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Fold the other half of tortilla, flip and cook for about 2 minutes. Repeat the same procedure to make 12 chicken quesadilla. When done, cut in half and transfer to a serving plate. Serve with salsa and spicy garlic sauce. Enjoy!